Hello, welcome to this tutorial from Roland DG, in which we're going to look at the step and repeat function within Roland VersaWorks. This was introduced to VersaWorks at version 4.6, and it's a layout function tool in which you can fill a specified area with a repeating pattern. It has its own process workflow in which you don't need to edit the original data to adjust the output dimension. It has many applications, mainly based around textile and signage markets. It would be great for creating wallpapers, clothing, curtains, ties, dresses, also backdrops, banners, and vehicle wrapping graphics. Benefits to note are obviously the speed and the ease with which you can create your jobs, and also that you're not limited by the layout feature with tab within VersaWorks. So you're not limited to 250 copies. You can make this as long as you like. It's great for repeating patterns and tessellating patterns. There are a number of file types that are not supported by the step and repeat function, and those are any that will contain a cut contour, variable data, a TIFF merge, EPS margin, nested jobs, or any jobs that have been edited in the clip and tile tab of your regular job settings, or jobs that have been scaled within Roland VersaWorks. So to start off with, we're going to have a look at Roland VersaWorks, open it up, and we're going to import a job. Here I have the Roland DG Academy logo, which is just a JPEG file. In order to open up the job settings for the step and repeat, you have to navigate to the job menu along the top here, and under Edit Design you'll find step and repeat. If we select the function, you'll see that another window will open up, which is different to your regular job settings. In here we have a clipping box, an output settings box, a preview accuracy, and then above the clipping box we have a clipping preview and the main preview window over here as well. Above the clipping preview window we have a mini toolbar, and we have the same one on the right hand side here above the main preview. These have the regular features that we would have in your job settings, such as undo, redo, your select tool, your hand tool for panning the screen when you're zoomed in and zoom out, fit to width, fit to length, and then zoom in and zoom out again. Over here we also have a show grid tool for the main preview. So if you wish to clip the image that you've brought in, you can use this window here or the clipping box below. You can either drag from the edges or from the corners to clip a certain area of the image, or you can use a specific size by width and height. If you choose a specific size, let's just say for example 200 by 200 millimeters, you can then choose an offset here in the X and Y direction. As shown. If not though, you can reset the image, as we have the whole logo within our screen here and we want to use the whole logo for this example. In the output settings here, you can choose the width and the height for the final output that you require. Now the width you can either take from the media width that you would read in your normal job settings, so you can set up another job, hit get media width within the layout tab of your job settings and take that value so you have the maximum printable width, or you choose the width of your required output. So if for example we required an output of 1.2 meters, we could put in 1200, and for the height we choose how long we wish this print to be, and this could be any value, so let's say 3 meters. If I press enter, you'll see that the screen has automatically filled and tiled the space with our chosen image. We can then again choose to offset, so we can move the tiles along in the X and Y direction. So if I add a value in here, you'll see that the image will shift, or the logos will shift, as you can see there. Same again, if I put it in the Y, we'll watch it shift as the screen calculates the changes. We can also change the stepping type. So if we have a horizontal repeat, you'll see that it will offset as in you would look like in brickwork. Same with a vertical repeat, where it will offset vertically instead of horizontally. and you can change the ratio as well of that step. Under the preview accuracy, you can change it, but as a default it's at low quality to save on time. Once you're happy with the output, you can press OK, which will take you back to the VersaWorks home screen. Now we can see the job in our preview over here, and you'll also see notice there's a small symbol next to the job in the queue which shows that it's been taken through the step and repeat procedure. We can now output this to the printer, or we can edit our normal job settings again, and then we can choose how we print the output in terms of quality and any of the other tabs that you wish to adjust. As you can see in this example, I chose 1.2 meters for the width of my output. However, on the SP300 machine, the maximum width that we have here is 736, so I would normally change that output myself before bringing it into the job queue. And that's it for the step and repeat feature. I hope you find it useful. We'll speak to you again soon. Thanks.